When I tell you I have been so excited for this purchase. Let's open her up. My word. Yo, this smells amazing. This is from Eternal Blowouts. Thank you for your order. We hope it makes your day as special as your order has made ours. Oh, that's so cute. So there are the socials and the website. If you do perhaps want to order, which I highly recommend you do, because have you seen how beautiful this makes the hair look? Like, I was just too excited to get my hands on it. This is the little silk pouch it comes in. I love that. I can't get over how delicious it smells. So I ordered the 3-piece blowout kit. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's so soft. It's actually a really nice size. Love, love, love that. I'm so excited. I ordered myself a few styling products like volumizing mousse and so on, because I've seen the girlies use that and I struggle with keeping volume in my hair. So just to assist, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Eternal Blowouts, for making these available to us. And what's amazing is it's local and you know that it's quality. It's not some random stuff you order on the internet. You know it's quality. So I'm so happy about that. Stay tuned for beautiful hair, because I know my hair game is changed for life now.